Hey you guys, Lori Frederick here. I want to give you one of my favorite solutions. If you've had some bad posture, if you're doing any work bent over, this is a great correction that is the opposite posture of where you may have been in for too long. It's called the reverse plank or the reverse bridge, whatever you want to call it. You can have it on a sturdy bench, bumper, or coffee table. But you hold yourself in a nice strong position in your shoulders, and then you bridge your hips up in the air from here. Okay, this may look like a lot of mobility going on, and it is. So here are some ways that you can get your way into it. If it's really bugging your wrists, I want to make sure that you can hang your fingers off the edge of whatever you're using. Working your way into a flat hand is really going to help you with your mobility in your wrist. And then just working to your own height of your hips. So just hovering off of that surface and working with your shoulders is doing a lot of benefit, all right? Just make sure you're not sinking into your shoulders, right? You're really strong and pushing up and out of that. It's completely opposite of all these positions that you've been in. Also great to be opposite of any overhead work because pushing down is the opposite, all right? So just hovering, holding, placing yourself. Hovering again is actually a really good wellness exercise to prevent any problems in your shoulders or your neck. Once you feel confident there, then you go ahead and work into whatever sort of hip bridge planking that you want to get to. Also great to do this on the floor, and you can turn it into a crab walk sort of feature. But again, you're going to want healthy wrists to do that and be comfortable here before you move it to the floor. But hopefully that helps get rid of any neck pain, shoulder pain, any sort of creaks that you might be having lately. See you in the next one.